Hello, today I'll be demonstrating how to make a grilled cheese. Many people eat them, many people love them. I've grown up eating them, such as many of you probably have watching. They are quick, easy, cheap to make, so why would it not be a great option to have as a frequent meal if you are in hard times like now with viruses and shortage of food or just financial toughness. So today we will start with preheating the stove, which I have going. Then we will need our other ingredients. We have our bread, I have some Velveeta cheese, some Black Forest ham, there's mayonnaise, which the ham and mayonnaise are both optional. Many people eat their grilled cheeses with many other things, tomato soup and much more. We will start off while our pan is preheating, that way it's hot to melt our butter when we're ready, by adding mayonnaise to both sides of our bread. So now, after we're going to add our mayonnaise on both sides, we'll be adding our cheese, and there's no correct way to add your mayonnaise. It's personal preference. If you don't want it, you don't have to have it. I personally enjoy it. Now that our mayonnaise is spread, we'll be putting a slice of cheese on, our ham on both sides, and then we'll be putting our cheese on top of that with our bread to top it off on the other side. Now that our sandwich is prepped, we'll add butter to the pan. This helps everything not stick. It just helps the bread get a nice golden burn on each side. Now that our butter is melted, we will add our sandwich into here and let it start warming up and goldening and toasting on that side. I like to cook them for 30 seconds at a time on each side and then flip as needed until you get the nice gold burn that you want. Some people like them a little darker and more crisp. It's really just personal preference. As long as you get your cheese melted and your sandwich a little warm like you like it, then everything will be okay. So now that we've sat there on that side some with a good burn, we'll flip it and see. You can kind of lift your bread with your spatula. Be careful not to burn yourself. See how your cheese is doing, see if it's melted enough for you. And now that it's sat there a few minutes on the other side, we'll just flip it back over. And now all we're doing, we got the goldenness on both sides that we'd like. So now we'll just flip it on both sides, kind of let that cheese melt, let the sandwich warm up some more. After the cheese gets to a point that we like it, we will need to grab a plate so that way we don't burn ourselves when we are getting our sandwich out the pan and getting ready for us to enjoy it. So now, with our cheese melting and our bread toasted on both sides, be careful not to burn yourselves. Use your spatula and be safe. Grab it out, set it on your pan. Now you have a nice golden toasted bread with the grilled cheese. Always be sure to turn your stove off. Clean up after yourselves and enjoy your sandwich.